Photographs were shown in London's High Court today of the poo, which reportedly destroyed Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's marriage. Depp, 57, had accused Heard of pooing in their marital bed, which he said was the final alleged incident that gave him the resolve to break up with her. Heard, 34, released a statement denying she was responsible for the stool found by Depp's cleaner beneath a top sheet in a bed in the Los Angeles penthouse apartment they shared the morning after the actress' 30th birthday. She appeared to point the finger at the Pirates of the Caribbean star. Depp had walked out the night before after a bust-up when he was late for a dinner party Heard was hosting for 12 pals. Read more related articles. The Hollywood A-lister admitted swapping messages with one of his staff about the mystery deposit in which they joked about Amber Turd and Amber in the dumps. But Depp told the High Court in London the act was one of the most absurd unexpected statements he had ever witnessed and effectively ended their marriage. Sasha Wass QC, representing news group Newspapers who Depp is suing for libel, suggested his pet Teacup Yorkshire Terrier Boo was the true culprit. The pint-sized pooch had suffered bowel problems after eating a ball of the actor's cannabis. But Depp told the High Court in London, it was a mystery grumpy, if you will, left in the bed. It was not left by a 3 pounds or 4 pounds dog. I was convinced that it was either Miss Heard herself or one of her cohorts involved in leaving human feces on the bed. Depp said he suspected it could also have been Heard's US photographer and TV host pal Tillett Wright, who had been at the dinner party and was crass enough to commit such an act. Depp's housekeeper Hilda Vargas, who gave testimony today, said she was horrified and disgusted when she found the stool. She said she knew it was human, took photos and sent them to one of Depp's staff. Giving evidence via videolink from Beverly Hills, through a Spanish interpreter, she said she knew neither Boo nor Heard's miniature dog Pistol were responsible because they could not climb on the bed by themselves and the turd was too large. She said leaving her to scoop the poop signaled a lack of respect. After cleaning it up, Hilda moved to Depp's house in West Hollywood to start work there when Heard suddenly arrived. She said, Miss Heard then called me over to talk to her in the living room. She told me that the pictures I had taken of the feces had destroyed her marriage. I was very nervous and so I apologized, even though I did not believe that their marital problems were my fault or that I had done anything wrong. I also told Miss Heard that the feces were there, that there was nothing I could do. Miss Heard argued with me, saying there were no feces in the bed. Vargas continued, I, again, said the feces were there, that they were large and smelled awful. Miss Heard continued to disagree with me, but I wanted to end the conversation as quickly as possible. I have often heard Miss Heard yell at Mr. Depp and other people. She has a bad temper in my opinion, and I did not want her to yell at me. On the contrary, in the 30 years I have worked for Mr. Depp, I have never seen Mr. Depp be physical with or yell at anyone. Depp is suing UK publisher News Group Newspapers Limited and Sun journalist Dan Wootton for libel over an April 2018 article, which called him a wife beater. Heard is due to give evidence on behalf of the publisher. She claims Depp attacked her at least 14 times while he was high on drink and drugs during their relationship, which ended in divorce in 2017. The hearing continues.